My name's Becky Spock, and I'm the Director of Vegetation Management at FirstEnergy. And today we're out on the Lorraine Fowles 138 kV transmission line. We have some researchers here from New York, from SUNY University, and this is a project, an EPRI project, that we're looking at pollinators and the types of pollinators they're finding on our rights-of-way. This is a long-term research. We're just one location out of several across the country that EPRI is going to be looking at the types of pollinators and the diversity and the number, and also the habitat that they're finding them in. So that's about a 3 to 5 year study. On the tail end of that study, we're going to be looking at the types of vegetation management practices that utilities are employing and how we can positively attribute to those pollinators and what we can do with the vegetation to, again, provide that best environment for them. We're positioned as an industry to really impact the pollinator because there are about 160,000 miles of transmission line across the industry. That equates to about 10 million acres of land that gets managed for our transmission rights away. And by doing so, we have a lot of opportunity to provide these stable plant communities with the right type of habitat where pollinators will flourish. FirstEnergy has a vast transmission system, about 20,000 miles of transmission line, and that relates to a lot of acres to manage, and we do employ integrated vegetation management practices to maintain incompatible vegetation to make sure that they don't grow tall enough to interfere with our transmission line. So through the course of doing that work, we're actually establishing low-growing, compatible, stable plant communities, which are very good for pollinators. So the flowering types of plants that provide food as well as a place to rest and just cover for the pollinators. And so by employing our practices, we actually are able to help provide an environment for them.